Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to all parents and guardians of Fatih Bilingual School at the Parents Orientation Program 2021. The Parents Orientation Program, or we say POP, is one of the school introduction program to the parents. This year, POP was held online, which was broadcast live via YouTube and summarized in 14 topics. POP will explain in detail thoroughly teaching and learning support program during online and offline learning at school. With the access of POP, school and parents can work well and closely together in educating students to become the best human being for the next generation of Indonesia and the world. The purpose of POP is to build a synergy between the guardian of students and the school so as to create a good atmosphere for students to always learn and develop while at school, at home, or wherever they are. For this time, we will listen to the materials about the Cambridge curriculum, which will be delivered by Mr. Cengiz. Before we start, I will briefly describe the profile of our presenters today. Mr. Cengiz is an English teacher and also head of English department in our school. He is also class teacher of 9A. He has been teaching in Fatih for 3 years. He is from Kyrgyzstan. All right, ibu-ibu dan bapak-bapak, let's directly listen presentation from today's speaker, Mr. Cengiz.
Good afternoon, dear parents and teachers and our beloved students. Welcome to our Parents Orientation Program, Day 6, with the topic Cambridge exams. Today, I'll be sharing some information with you. My name is Cengiz Oruzaliyev. I work at Fatih Bilingual School and I teach English to junior high school students. Once, wise man said, the first step in knowledge is to listen, then to be quiet and attentive, then to preserve it, then to put it into practice, and then to spread it. So, this is our job as parents and as teachers to teach our kids how to learn best, because education is the most important thing for human beings. Life becomes prosperous and meaningful. It is a continuous and lifelong process which brings a great change in our life. It is the foundation of human development, and it is said that education is the third eye of human being. In this occasion, we are going to speak about the key points of Cambridge exams, in other words, Cambridge qualifications. Before jumping into the main topic, I want to tell a little bit about our school. Fatih Bilingual School has become an international Cambridge school since 2017. I can proudly say that we are the first Cambridge school in Aceh. Last year, we obtained the right to become an official IELTS test center, and now everyone has a great opportunity to get his or her IELTS score without going far and spending a fortune for that. This year, for the first time in Aceh history, we are planning to get our Cambridge exams as a school. Today, we're going to share some information about several topics that we have enumerated here. They are Cambridge Assessment International Education, then what is Cambridge exams, or in other words, Cambridge qualification programs, where we'll discuss mainly about Cambridge Checkpoint, Cambridge-Igcse, and Cambridge-International-AS and A levels. Later on, you will hear about a university recognition worldwide, and the last one will be Cambridge International Alumni. So, Cambridge Assessment International Education prepares school students for life, helping them develop an informed curiosity, and lasting passion for learning. Our Cambridge pathway gives students a clear path for education success from age 5 to 19. Schools can shape the curriculum around how they want their students to learn, with a wide range of subjects and flexible ways to offer them. It helps students discover new abilities and a wider world, and gives them the skill they need for life, so they can achieve at school, at university, and at work. Cambridge International Education programs and qualifications follow a student-centered approach that are a goal passport to success in education, university, and in workplace. Subjects content is multicultural, and wide range of subjects is available, including many country-specific courses. Our long-term goal is aimed to develop our students' confidence, self-responsibility, reflectiveness, innovation, and engagement. The Cambridge exams are recognized globally within institutions such as universities and businesses. It is a useful certificate for studying abroad, traveling, and working in an English-speaking country. That's why it is a lifelong passport to study and work. Now, why take an exam? First of all, our students take these exams to prove what they have learned. Secondly, they need to improve their understanding and skills. Tests show them their progress. In addition to this, Cambridge end-of-program assessments give students focus, motivation, and a challenge. After her research, Ashley Meyer, an assistant professor at Baylor College of Medicine, said, "The use of testing as a way to learn new information has been thoroughly examined in young students. This research builds on that and supports the notion that educators or even employers can use tests to increase learning in people of all ages." We provide mainly 3 levels of Cambridge qualifications. The very first one is Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint. It monitors individual and group performance at the end of primary program. These external tests are marked by Cambridge International to give our students extra confidence in the feedback they receive and share with parents. It is available for English as a first or second language, for math, for science, and global perspectives. It enables to see how learners are performing against the international benchmark and in comparison to the rest of their class. We can easily monitor our group and individual performance. Schools receive a diagnostic feedback report and learners receive a statement of achievement. The 2 exam series are available. One is in May, another one is in October. For more information, you can check the link provided in the description part. The second qualification program is Cambridge Igcse. This assessment takes place at the end of course and can include written, oral, coursework, and practical assessments. This broadens opportunities for students to demonstrate their learning, particularly when their first language is not English. In many subjects, there is a choice between core and extended curricula, making Cambridge Igcse suitable for a wide range of abilities. Grades are benchmarked using 8 internationally recognized grades. They are A to G, which have clear guidelines to explain the standard of achievement of each grade. Cambridge Igcse examination sessions occur twice a year, so one of them is in June, another one is in November, and the results are issued in August and January. For more information about Igcse, please check the link provided in the description part. Now, the third program we provide is Cambridge International AS and A levels. Thousands of learners worldwide gain places at leading universities every year with Cambridge International AS and A levels. The syllabus develops a deep understanding of subjects and independent thinking skills. Cambridge International A-Level is typically 2-year course, and Cambridge International AS Level is typically 1-year course. In this program, students have different assessment options to take, such as taking Cambridge International AS Level only. The syllabus content is half a Cambridge International A Level. They can also take a staged assessment route, take the Cambridge International AS Level in one examination series and complete the final Cambridge International A Level at a subsequent series. Also, they can take all papers of Cambridge International A Level course in the same examination session, usually at the end of the course. We hold Cambridge International AS and A-Level examination series twice a year in June and November. The results are issued in August and January. Of course, for more information about AS and A-Levels, check the link provided in the description part. Okay, where do Cambridge qualifications take you? Cambridge qualifications are recognized and valued by universities all around the world, including the USA, the UK, Australia, Canada, Germany, and beyond. In places such as United States and Canada, good grades in carefully chosen Cambridge International A-Level subjects can result in up to 1 year of university course credit. Over 825 universities in the US formally accept Cambridge International AS and A levels, including all Ivy League and Ivy Plus universities. These universities include Brown, Harvard, MIT, Stanford, and Yale. Many more US universities accept Cambridge qualifications on application. In the UK, all the universities accept Cambridge qualifications. In a survey which was done in 2018 of higher education admission tutors at the world's leading universities, 100% of respondents said that Cambridge programs give students excellent preparation for university. Recognition of Cambridge qualifications is growing fast throughout Asia. It is important to carefully check the entry requirements and admissions process well ahead of making an application, as university admission procedures and entry tests can vary widely across countries or states in this region. Here are some examples of countries that welcome students holding Cambridge qualifications. So this is the short list of countries which recognize Cambridge qualifications, in some cases as an entrance exam for the university, in some other cases as an equivalent for a national secondary education certificate. This means the Cambridge qualifications widely used in different countries around the world, and a lot of students can take the benefit of it. Our aim at Cambridge International is to prepare students for life after school, and we are always thrilled to hear what Cambridge learners go on to do next. There are a few of many former students who share how studying for Cambridge qualifications has helped them to move closer to fulfilling their ambitions. Stories they share are unique. You should see and read by yourself, but I will let you do it by yourself, of course. The link will be provided in the description part. Anyone who is eager may access and be inspired. Okay, I think this is it. And before I end, I'd like to draw your attention to a short video about Cambridge programs and qualifications. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.
Over 10,000 schools in 160 countries offer the Cambridge Pathway. The Cambridge Pathway is a clear path for educational success from age 5 to 19. The 4 stages of the Cambridge pathway lead seamlessly from primary to secondary and to the pre-university years. Each stage builds on learners' development from the previous stage or from other educational systems. Schools can offer every stage or just some of them. This gives flexibility to shape the curriculum according to students' needs. Cambridge Primary is typically for learners aged 5 to 11 years and develops skills and understanding in 10 subjects, including English, mathematics and science. Cambridge Lower Secondary is for 11 to 14-year-olds and also includes English, mathematics and science. Cambridge Upper Secondary has over 70 Cambridge IGCSE subjects and over 40 Cambridge O-level subjects to choose from. Cambridge Advanced is typically for learners aged 16 to 19 years old and offers Cambridge International AS and A-levels. Cambridge Global Perspectives is available at every stage of the Cambridge pathway. This unique programme develops critical thinking, research and collaboration skills. Professional development is also offered to help teach the Cambridge pathway. The Cambridge pathway prepares students for life wherever they are in the world.
Thank you to Mr. Cengiz for his presentation. Hopefully it can add to your view regarding Cambridge curriculum in Igcse, SMP, SMA, Fatih Bilingual School. For those of you who have questions, please click the description column below. And we thank you to all moms and dads for your participation. We apologize for any difficulties or mistaken in here and see you at the next Parents Orientation Program. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.